Well, folks, wanted to show you my latest failure. It stuck to the pan. I had to use a spatula to scrape it out. Looks like it didn't rise. And I took a little piece. This is bread, by the way. I took a little piece and dipped it in butter, and guess what? It tastes like crap. So, all the pretty bread I've made, you can look back at all my videos. Sometimes things just... Oh, that's supposed to go there. Sometimes things... Oh, no, that's the piece I ate. Sometimes things just flop. Thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, folks, in case you're thinking maybe I left out the yeast, or maybe I left out this, or maybe I left out that. No, because last time my bread overrose. And I will include a picture here if I can find one. Because I was going to make a video on it and never got around to it. So this time I double checked my ingredients. But what is it that made this bread just flop? And it don't taste good. I don't know.